India is going to get one of the coldest winters this time, and I'll tell you what's going on. There is a climatic phenomena called La Nina, which, when it occurs, lead to more than regular rains during the monsoon season, causing flooding in North India, followed by biting cold. And if you were to follow the reports of the most international as well as national meteorological predictions, you'll notice that the months starting from October to February, starting next month, are about to get biting cold with temperature dropping to 3 degrees Celsius. But this year may see possibly the worst pollution Delhi has seen in the recent year, and all that whatever the La Nina effect kicks in pollution goes up by 30% this year in Indian cities. Delhi's air quality index has historically exceeded 600 during La Nina winter, more than 12 times the safety limit. With this, quite like there was an AC shortage in summer this year, there is an expected to be a huge shortage of geyser, oil heaters, and other such heating devices. So prices for these appliances will be higher than the previous year, and people should ideally procure them before they start running out. When the La Nina had kicked in during 2012-13, the demand for heaters had gone up by 20% and prices had surged by 15%. Wearable and room air purifiers will also see a huge rise in demand, more than the previous year. And thus, people in these businesses should book for large stock compared to the previous year. Now, companies already know this and are predicting their demand accordingly. But here's what you probably didn't know. Among companies looking at this, most probably are pharma companies that sell respiratory medicine and equipment, which will see a massive surge. So, if you have elders or people with breathing trouble in your family, be adequately prepared to safeguard them well in advance. And if you look at aviation and construction industries, they'll also see a bigger slowdown than earlier and would need to be proactive to actually reduce the losses and delay.